Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from China. This is from a company called King David over in China, and they do all sorts of interesting noodle products, and they sent me something that they're pretty excited about, and I'm very curious about, so let's crack it open and look inside. Oh, cool. Yeah, so check this out. This is a non-fried chicken flavor noodle. I believe King David is mostly active in doing private label varieties. So if you want to have your own instant noodle brand, all you got to do is call them up, send them your labeling and stuff, and they can make you something special. Yeah, these, I think they've got a lot of stuff in Israel, and that's hence the name. And yeah, I'm really curious about this. This one is 93% fat-free, and this is a beef non-fried variety. Very cool. Well, big thank you to King David Foods for sending these over, and especially to Cher. She's the person I've been talking to over there. Really appreciate it. I was mentioning how hot it's been over here and been really hard to get unboxings done. Also with the kids home from school for summer. And it's like it's been getting up in the 90s here, and she said, oh, the temperatures where they're at are much higher, but I think they're a little more used to it, but it sounds pretty hot. So stay cool. Thank you very much. I'll be reviewing these soon, and hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.